Hey guys, welcome back to another video on our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be discussing another Advanblack product. I'm going to be going over the chopped tour pack and the differences between the chopped and the razor. Before I do that, guys, I want to say a big, huge thank you to everybody out there that's subscribed to the channel. If you haven't already, please check out the channel. Over 80 bagger videos on the channel now. Guarantee you're going to find something on there. If you do, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and it'll let you know every time we do an upload. So guys, one of the biggest questions I get when it comes to Advanblack tour packs is the difference between the sizes. I know you can get on advanblack.com and you can look in every one of the tour packs down at the bottom. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, it'll give you the dimensions of the tour pack. But you're just seeing a picture and you're seeing some numbers. What you may be imagining may not be the same as what they actually are. Everybody knows the King tour pack. That's the big one. But the biggest question I get is, what's the difference between the chopped and the razor? I struggled with this too when I decided that I wanted to get a tour pack. Do I want that low sleek with a little bit of storage? Do I want that kind of medium sleek with a little bit more storage? Or just the big honking one with tons of storage? We do offer two different backrests, guys. We have the big one. It's kind of a wraparound. This is normally used on the chopped or King. And then we also have the razor, which is back here. It's a razor pad. It's a smaller pad. It's more of a backrest and not a wraparound that we have on the razor tour pack back here. Now, before we actually get into the install, guys, I wanted to show you the Advanblack chrome tour pack bracket. Now, guys, I see this all the time when guys order the tour packs and they assume that every single thing comes with the tour pack. It doesn't. You need three different parts to put on a tour pack. You're going to need the 4-point docking system. You are going to need a rack. This is your quick detach rack. And then of course, you're going to have your tour pack. Now guys, right here on the Advanblack one, we have an all metal latch system. It has a metal pin on the inside, metal, no plastic in these. This is all metal. It does have the Advanblack logo stamped on the outside, so you know it's from us. One of the things that I like to tell the customers when you're ordering this is these slotted holes right here. Guys, these are only a little over an inch long, but it makes a huge difference when you're mounting your tour pack. When I first put that one on the Street Glide back there, I just kind of eyeballed it, bolted it down. She got on the bike and told me that it felt like it was pushing her forward a little bit, so I just loosened the 4 nuts, slid the tour pack back just a little bit, and it made a world of difference. It let her lean back a little bit. Once you get the tour pack, you'll have a little hardware kit like this. Inside this box, you're going to have a fresh set of keys for your new lock, and you will have 4 bolts, washers, and nuts to install this to the rack. Now, we don't preload our bolts with Loctite, guys. That stuff dries up and it gets hard and nasty, and so I do highly recommend that you pick up a bottle of blue Loctite. If you own a Harley, you should probably already have a bottle of this. The blue Loctite works great. It's easy to remove if you need to, but it's going to hold everything in place. Now, opening this up, guys, you can see that we do have a retractable tether on this. Some tour packs that you may order, this is just a tether, and you close it and it flops out and stuff, but this one actually is retractable. Inside our tour packs, we do include the steel reinforcement plate. And you can see one side is straight and one side's curved. The curved edge goes towards the curved front of the tour pack. So you just set that in, 4 pre-drilled holes, set that in, run your bolts through that. Now, like I said, with the tour pack, you're gonna get a new lock. With that new lock, you're gonna get a set of keys. You got 2 keys to get in and out of this tour pack. You can, however, have this rekeyed to your bike, but you have to do that at Harley Davidson. Now that we have the rack installed and we're ready to put it on the bike, guys, I will get the table and stuff out of the way and show you the difference between the razor and the chopped. So hopefully, guys, that'll kind of give you a little bit better idea and you can see what it looked like on the bike, so you can settle that debate between style and functionality that everybody kind of struggles with. You either want the razor or you want the chopped, where you got a little bit more room. I do want to note, guys, we wear skid lids. The DOT approved skid lids, guys, they both fit in the razor, the smallest tour pack. They fit in there side by side with room to pack stuff around it. We use the tour pack all the time to store our helmets. We go in someplace, want to get something to eat, don't want to leave your helmet hanging off your bike, put it in the back of your tour pack. You got plenty of room. With the smallest, the razor tour pack, they fit in there just fine. That's going to wrap this video up, guys. If you have any questions on that whatsoever, leave it in the comment box down below. I check YouTube every single day, and I'll try to get back to you as quick as I can and help you the best that I can. But once again, check out the channel, guys. Over 80 bagger related videos on our channel, not just the Advanblack stuff. We got a ton of other products on here that we put on this 2014 Street Glide and a couple of our buddies' bikes, and also some money saving service tips that you can do at home and save a ton of money versus taking it to the dealership. If you like what you've seen, you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and it'll let you know every time we upload a new video. I'm gonna get out of here and get back to work, guys, but until the next video, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze.